Today I'm going to be showing you step by step how I changed the air filter in my 2015 Ford F-250 with the 6.2 liter gas V8 engine. In theory, this process should be the same for 2011 to 2016 Ford F-250s. As always guys, everything I used in this video will be linked below as well as links to our online stores, so be sure to check those out. Alright, so now we're over here on the driver's side of the motor and we're going to be changing the air filter, and here's the filter we're going with, 10262 from Fram. And once again, I'll have everything linked in the description below, but we're going to go ahead and get that swapped out. And the way this guy fits in here, there's 3 clips, one here, and one here. And then there's 2 tabs that fit underneath this piece right here. So you got to take the clips off, pick it up from the back, and push it back. So once you can lift it up, and then we can remove our filter. And the filter doesn't look too terribly bad, but it's a good idea to change these when you change the oil. So we're going to go ahead and get it changed. Got the new one here. And just set it in there like so. Get this guy lined back up. We're going to push down on this side so that we can get these tabs lined up into the holes. And then we'll just push it on. And once it's in place, we'll get the clips back on. And we're good to go. Once again guys, everything used in this video is linked in the description below. Be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. Don't forget to hit that like button, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.